As you can see, our installation is complete on this instance, so we now have SQL Server configured on both nodes of our failover cluster. Now we can see this if we go ahead and open up the failover cluster administrator, which you can find right here on the Start menu. We can see under the Roles section, we have SQL 01 SQL up and running with the current node that's owning it as SQL 01A. If we select that, we'll see it at the bottom, the node owner, the IP addresses, as well as any resources that are within the resource group. So in this case, we have a network name, an IP address, the SQL Server, and the SQL Server agent. Were this a production cluster, we would also have a list of disks available to us. Let's go ahead and fail this over now so we can see for sure that it's actually running and configured correctly on both nodes. If we right-click on the role and click Move, we can select the node that we want to move to. Let's go ahead and select the second node because it's the only one there. When we click OK, we'll see all the resources come offline and then come back online, with the new node owner being SQL 01B. At this point, SQL Server is up and running, and the databases can now be running through the crash recovery process. So in summary, the installation of a failover cluster is very similar to a normal SQL Server installation for the primary node. There's just a few additional screens that you see through the wizard, but other than that, you just roll through the installation much like normal. The secondary nodes are extremely easy to install, because we simply go through a very short 6 or 7 page wizard, because SQL Server's installer already has most of the information it needs.